troubled Minnesota roadways.
Slide-offs, spin-outs, and
Crash on the south side of the city.
117 crashes.
Hundreds of thousands of people are having long-term problems due to motor vehicle crash.
Single vehicle crash
along a residential street, pile up on a bridge.
I'd recommend you get to see a professional right away. Why? Because you could end up in a long-term problems if you don't.
4 people were injured.
7 children and an adult. Minor injuries.
You need to find someone that does this type of treatment all the time.
We evaluate differently than a medical doctor. You know, a medical doctor is not seeing this necessarily every day like we are.
We have doctors at chiropractic. They focus on spinal alignment, mobility in the spine.
Pick the right techniques to get you back to a normal lifestyle.
We have multiple doctors of physical therapy here that help rehabilitate the muscles.
You work one-on-one with them, tailoring their exercises to what they need to increase blood flow, oxygen, nutrition to that tissue to try promote healing. And then once they start to feel better, then we increase the resistance, rebuild strength and stability, get them back to what they were doing before their accident.
By working these two things together, get much better results. We want the patient better no matter what your title is at the end. When you're in a motor vehicle crash, there's all these factors going through your mind and all the stress. We set our clinic up to simplify things so we can reduce that as much as possible for you. We have someone that can discuss with you how to fill out the paperwork. That person is our personal injury specialist, and this is what they do all day.
There's benefits that the patient has paid for on their insurance policies that they don't know about. It's in the fine print, it's in the small print, and it's not told to them. And we take care of it all.
This is getting them through the system. Insurance companies, should I talk to the other person's insurance company? Should I talk to my insurance company? How do I fill out this application of benefits, and where do I send it? Some people need an attorney. Guess what? A lot of the attorneys out there aren't really proficient. We'll go through all that information with you. We've done it tens of thousands of times, and that takes a relief off you so you can focus on getting better. Nobody else is taking care of that stuff in other facilities. We have specialized equipment so our patients get better much faster.
MedX, it's a more intensive strengthening for the neck muscles and those low back muscles. Tell me when it starts to get sore. Measures your motion, it tests your strength, it graphs it on the computer for you so you can see where your strength is compared to what's normal for you.
And we show patients their x-rays.
The medical protocol is to have a Davis series of x-rays. It's very important because we do it with traumatic injuries.
You can teach them about what happened to their body, explains the injuries a little bit better.
The exercise equipment that's almost like a gym, and after they get to a certain point, they can go through like a circuit there.
Treating these patients, it's so rewarding. They come in and they can hardly move, and in 3-4 months, they have their lives back. They're smiling, they're happy again.
They're raving about our clinic, how they got better, how they think it's kind of like being with a family, how they feel like it's comfortable here.